Illustrator allows you to apply color to the stroke or fill of an object. Choose the selection tool to make it active. Click on the circle to select it. Open the Swatches panel by choosing Window, Swatches. Click on the Fill indicator either at the top of the Swatches panel or at the bottom of the Tools panel. Click on the dark blue swatch to apply that color to the fill. Click on the Stroke indicator to make it active. Then click on the None swatch to remove the stroke from the object. Click on the long path to select it. Make sure the stroke indicator is front. Choose the dark blue swatch. Click on the other paths and apply different colors to the stroke of the remaining paths.